Sounded a little sick. Maybe a bad wire connection somewhere. Oh well. Apparently I forgot to empty out my phone's storage, so I couldn't properly show the auto shut-off working. So I made this video afterwards showing the automatic stop in action, also showing that it overshoots by about 24 seconds. And one more thing, the DRJ 2006 has a pretty sharp eye. This is indeed part of an old light bright, and so is the timer circuit. I actually got the idea to build this after I saw the light bright at Goodwill and remembered I had one just like it when I was a kid. And also remembered its auto shut-off function that turned the light off in 3 minutes. So with a bit of experimentation with a relay and another relay to handle the bulk of the current draw from the siren, I was able to make a functional rip-off of an AR timer. I just have yet to add an attack signal function in a 3D printed case.